In this video, I'll show you the best free alternatives to Wallpaper Engine. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down. Under Releases, select the latest and then scroll down. Under Assets, select this x64exe. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the application. And now the application opens up. In library, you can able to choose lots of default wallpaper. If you want to set it one, then right click and select use option. We have successfully set your wallpaper. I'll show you guys how to browse lots of wallpaper. Go to store and choose the wallpaper category. Then download the wallpaper you like the most. It will automatically set it to a background wallpaper. And that's all you have to do.